Hey guys, Iceman here. Gonna do an unboxing of my Year One Rallye wheels. These are the 17-inch aluminum wheels, done in the style of the classic Mopar Rallye. So, gonna open up the box here. Alright. Okay. So I got the kit. These right here, yep, these will be the lug nuts. Got 20 of those in the kit. They're the long style, so should look pretty good on it. And a nice quality. Looks like they're pretty solid too. You know, Year One, they make good stuff. All right, let's pull a wheel out here. Let's see here. This one is, I got staggered sizes. Okay, so this is a 17 by 9. So this will go on the rear. I got 17 by 8s for the front. Looks like they wrapped it really well. Looks like they put some nice protectors over the beads. Now these are supposed to be a polished lip and then argent on the inside to give it that classic look. So it's going to look like it has a trim ring, and then it's going to be the silver in the middle. Yeah, it's like it's silver right here too on the back. Looks nice. Here's your holes to hold your center cap on. I ordered it as a kit. They claim that you can use regular, classic 15-inch, 14-inch Mopar Rallye wheel center caps. I don't know if that's true or not. Let's see here. Load limit, DOT. Oh, they even have Year One forged into it. Made in China. I guess so it goes with everything else. Alright, let's have a look here. Pull this protector off. Pretty unremarkable. Nothing much to say about that. Paint quality looks pretty good. Let's go to the front here. Oh yeah. Yeah, that's definitely nice looking. I like that they shipped it with the protectors to keep anything from happening to these the beads and to this lip here. It's a really nice looking wheel. So I'm guessing, just guessing, what they did was they probably forged the whole wheel. They probably painted the whole thing, or anodized it, what have you, powder coated it, whatever. And I'm guessing they probably went in and machined this. And then they probably clear coated over the whole thing, because it's clear coated here on the inside, and then here on the other side of the wheel. It's painted, but it's not clear coated, or at least not to it's probably clear coated, but it's not it's not coated to a really, really nice shine the way it is here. Boy, it's really smooth, really nice. But like I said, you know, Year One, you deal with them. They have good stuff, so. All right, so that's the rear. Let's have a look at the fronts. I'll just set this over here for now. They packed them really well too. The boxes are taped together plus stapled, so should keep things pretty secure. And when I received the boxes, there were no indications of damage whatsoever. All right, so it looks like this one has the center caps. It's a kit, so there's 4 of them. All right. Go ahead and check out the center cap first. Oh wow. Very nice looking. I got the dark colored ones. They have 3 styles. There's this one. There's one that's lighter colored, more like the center cap. And then you've got one that's called the acorn style, where the center of the center cap actually goes around the lug nuts. But I think this is going to look really, really nice. Here's the bolts that'll go. It's going to go through the center of the wheel and bolt right there. Really nice though. Really nice. Oh, they even coat this center piece here with plastic, so I have to remember to peel that off before I hit the road with them. All right, and let's have a look at the front one. So this is should say here 17 by 8. Yep, 17 by 8. So I'm going staggered. Fronts are going to be a little more narrow than the rears. Alright. Once again, looks like it's packaged the same way, which is what you'd expect. Once again, protector for this lip. Much like the other ones, except they're just an inch narrower. Same thing, nice like a brushed finish almost on this outer part to make it look like it's a trim ring on a rally wheel. Looks like one thing that you might have to consider is these holes in here are a bit more open, so I planned on painting my hubs, calipers, and my rear brake drums red in the classic Chrysler red. That's what they did with their rear axles on the drums. They painted them red, so I think that would look pretty nice showing through those holes if somebody were to look through them. There's a lot of lip here. I don't know how much light's going to hit it from the sun. All right, pretty good quality though. Yeah, definitely a nice piece. I think they run about $250 a piece, so that's about going rate with any other factory custom wheels. So what Krager, you know, American Racing, and then the other brands put out. So one more thing, I guess we'll take and compare them side to side, see how much difference there is. Yeah, it's noticeable. Yeah, you've got, so it looks like this lip right here is going to be a little bit bigger on the 17x9 versus the 17x8. Everything else looks the same from there. So yeah, it looks like they made up the difference here. So, but yeah, well, we'll keep going, and hopefully you guys stick around for the next video. So thank you for your time.